Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Guys, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, be it you are new and you've not done that, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at GBP USD for the next day, which is for the 4th. So literally, we are expecting GBP USD to break this resistance level. As you can see, at first market came to this resistance level, right? Then we had a drop down to this our support level. Now market has now come to this our resistance level. So with what I'm saying, I feel markets will actually break above it. Can it actually drop to this support level? There's every possible. I'll say it is a 50% chance. It has 50% potential of dropping to this support level. At the same time, it has the potential of breaking up. But with what I'm saying personally, I feel markets will come to this resistance level, give us a pullback, then we would have another bullish move that we break. So basically, our GBP to USD is still strong. We are still on the buy strong. I mean, when you go to the daily time frame, you should be able to see it yourself. I mean, take a look at it now. See it. This is the higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. This is the new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. This is the new higher highs, and here comes the higher lows. And now a new higher highs is about to form. The same reason why I said that we need to break above this resistance level. So we would be looking to cover more on GBP on our Patreon channel, which we are currently offering at a 40% discount. If you are interested, you will find the link to the Patreon channel in the comment section. Join us right now so you can, if you trade GBP and you're interested in more in-depth analysis and every other thing, right, we are going to cover it on the Patreon channel. You'll find the link in the comment section. Currently, we are still running the 40% discount, which will be ending anytime soon. So once you join, you'll get access to those our trade.